So over the last 12 months, even more than 12 months, I'm building again my video agency in Dubai. It wasn't always that easy. I came to Dubai almost like more than 3 years ago. So this is my 4th year right now in Dubai. And before I was doing video editing, I was doing filmmaking. And now I want to take you on this journey. What completely changed my life, changing from a normal video editor, from a filmmaker, and having actually one offer which is scalable, and I can hire even video editors and have fun with my clients. I'm flying to Saint-Tropez, to France with my clients. I'm flying to Germany, and finally, I would say, enjoy this life which I had in my mind back in the days when I was approaching this niche. So when you are in this niche right now, if you're a video editor, if you're a filmmaker, and you want to take a look how I'm building my agency in here in Dubai, then yeah, stick to it. So let me explain you what changed over the last 12 months. So 3 years ago, I came to Dubai. I pivoted from video editing, filmmaking towards real estate because I thought there's the bigger money. Actually, I'm making more money today. So I thought that because I didn't had a scalable offer. So I was this filmmaker, I was this editor, doing gigs left, right, here and there, but not really having a scalable offer, not offering the one thing which today give me a monthly predictable income. So then I pivoted towards real estate. I wasn't unsuccessful, but I wouldn't say that I was successful. And then lately, the agency was shut down. I needed to fly back to Germany, what I did then. And then I was there on the couch of my mom's apartment, broke. I booked my last ticket towards Germany with my last money, but I knew in me, even when I was going with the cab, I have even the picture in my mind when I was driving with the cab from Dubai towards the airport, I'm gonna make it. I had this feeling in me, I'm gonna make it, and I come back to Dubai, and this happened literally 3 months later, because in that time an investor approached me from Germany, which was in Dubai, where we met together. I worked actually with him, for him, in his real estate agency, and he wanted to build a YouTube channel. And back in the days, I exactly did that. And so I came back to Dubai, I built that, and today, yeah, long story short, I have multiple clients. I reached my first 10K per month after I was 3-4 months in this offer. So like offering building YouTube channels, because back in the days I was building one YouTube channel and it reached over 100,000 followers. Then I worked with multiple YouTube channels mainly, but today we take the whole thing in our hands. So we install a setup into the office of our clients, for example, and then we tell them what to shoot. Then we also build the landing pages, and towards that the client is coming directly into their calendar, and they have a list of leads which is compounding on itself because we are creating the right videos for the right niche. So I'm focusing right now mainly on finance and real estate and everything which goes into the high ticket sales direction. So for example, I have a client which is organizing passports in different regions around the world, and obviously when there is a client which comes around, they make a very good amount of money by organizing everything, and these are high paying clients, high net worth individuals, and I can acquire those because I understand what video I need to produce in order that this client goes to my client's calendar, and they both made up a connection. So yeah, life changed completely. I'm back in Dubai in my apartment. I have a lovely working desk behind me, and I'm blessed. So what is the plan for the next couple of weeks? I already told you guys I'm going to fly to Saint-Tropez. So when you have any questions about this business model, if you want to see any insights, if you want to be along with any clients meetings, I don't know, if you have anything in your mind, literally, because I want to scale this now, I want to go higher. And so I'm actually also getting a lot of questions from you guys. So I'm actually already showing it to some of you guys how it works step by step. And so when you have any questions, let me know. I actually created one long video explaining exactly how this business model works. Creative agency, content agency, short form agency, or YouTube agency, however you want to call this. I'm actually into long form because I get higher paying clients from there. So I'm focusing mainly, like I said, on the finance or real estate niche. But if you want to pivot into this, if you are a video editor or a filmmaker and you really want to scale towards a predictable income, then I highly recommend that you check out this blueprint. First link in the description below. So what happened after I changed towards this YouTube agency? First of all, the one client which I got, it was a $3,000 per month agreement. I could come back towards Dubai. This was my goal, so it happened. But then I was focusing on literally this, that I can scale YouTube channels. So I approached multiple clients, but the question was how. I made already tens of thousands of dollars over Instagram DM, but I was in a way better environment. So we had actually a co-working space in Dubai, in the building with a hole inside it called Opus, the Opus Tower by Omniat, and we had our co-working space there. And what I did then was, everyone who was approaching high ticket clients and they didn't had an online presence, I sell them my service. So it was so easy because my service actually works for this kind of niche. And then fast forward 12 months now, I have, how many clients do I have? So I'm approaching again around 10, 12, $14,000 next month. So yeah, and I can travel. So the thing actually is that I'm offering to my clients that we are traveling towards Saint-Tropez, we're traveling towards Hamburg, and okay, Luxembourg, Bordeaux, and the Antwerp. So there's a kind of a big road which we are doing, and I'm offering this because I would like to travel. So I like this lifestyle, I like to do this, and my next steps are to take more clients such these, but remote. So yeah, this is my plan for the future. Taking more clients on and scaling this literally towards $30,000 per month. And I will take you on my journey. Hands-on, I will take you on my journey. And when you have any further questions, let me know. So again, you can download the blueprint, first link in the description, where I explain how this whole thing works and how you can get your first clients in the next couple of weeks and how you can actually scale towards $10,000 per month. So I'm actually explaining the whole thing I'm doing. And if you want to work with me, you can also find the second link in the description. And yeah, see you in the next video.